Hi everyone, this is Rachel here with vicrez.com. Today we are going to be looking at how to install vz101087. Our Vicrez mud flaps for the 2015 to 2019 Dodge Charger SRTs, Scat packs, and Hellcat models. Manufactured entirely in the USA, these mud flaps are constructed from a durable ABS plastic and precisely engineered with top-of-the-line machine-cut technology. These mud flaps are designed to add protection against rock chips and road debris, while also helping to keep the lower side of your car a little bit cleaner. This product comes in a variety of high-quality finishes, from black textured to dry carbon fiber and even a gloss carbon fiber finish, and that there is no additional painting required. You have the option to purchase the mud flaps as a whole set for all four wheels, or separate sets for either the front or back wheels of your vehicle. You'll find that installation for this product is going to be fairly simple. There are a few options you can use when mounting your mud flaps onto your vehicle. 1. Use the existing rivet fasteners from your car. 2. Use the provided self-tapping screws. Drilling on your vehicle will be required. Or 3. Installing with 3M VHB bonding tape, which is not included. But for this installation video, we are going to be looking at how to install with the existing hardware from your car. First, you will need to locate where the rivet fasteners are located and remove them. We will be using the existing holes and rivet fasteners to mount our mud flaps. Next, determine the mounting points by test fitting your mud flaps onto the car. Make sure to accurately mark the points on your mud flaps, so when drilling, you will know that they will precisely match with the corresponding mounting points to your car. Drill the required holes accordingly. Once you have completed drilling, use the existing rivet fasteners from your car to mount the mud flaps. Repeat the same steps for the rest of the mud flaps in order to complete this installation. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos weekly, as well as our newsletters for exclusive promotions and discounts sent straight to your inbox.